Okay. Hello. We're at we're at wait, hang on. Anyways, we're at Six Rivers, Shasta, Trinity County, California. Anyways, here's some beauty, some real gorgeous beauty. And here's the rivers coming up. They call it Six Rivers National Forest. Trying to get the best picture of it. It's really cool looking. You got snow up on top of the mountains and all that. It's beautiful. All the rapids down there and everything. And then I'll go across the street there. All the rocks. All the rocks going up there. And it is Six Rivers National Forest. And then there's the other part of the river right there going down. There's how big the mountains are and everything. And then I'm going to go over to this side coming up. And then trying to keep the camera steady. Here's across the street, really nice rocks. And then there's a better view down here too coming up. Okay. Okay, hang on. Okay, so we got down here. That's more of it where the river goes. It goes all the way to the ocean. And then here's another view from the place going up and around the corner there. There's the snowy covered mountains up there. And then all the stuff going down. And it just goes. And I'm going to try to go down here to see if I can get some more a better view, but I don't know. I have to see. I don't think so. I think this might be the end. Let's see, then there's part of it like that. And the mountains and everything. And then I'm trying to turn the camera thing around. Okay, hang on. I'm gonna have to piece this together. All this recording stuff is kind of okay. So I'm down here at the river, Six Rivers. I don't know if you could see it. Probably down. Oh, here we go, right there. Okay, so this is the end of it. Thought you guys would like this video of Six Rivers, Shasta, Trinity County in California. And I'm going to go, as soon as these cars go by, I'm going to take a picture across the street here. You can see. Okay. And then here's the rock formations. They're kind of cool. Anyways, so I hope you like my video. Thank you guys for stopping in. And this is Eclectic Wisdom on YouTube. Thank you.